Okay, hello students. Now we are going to start question number 5 of Brain Teasers. On a number line, what is the length of the line segment joining 3 and minus 3 and rest of the numbers? So we will start the fifth question. First one is 3 and minus 3. There are two methods. We will solve both of them. Okay. So 3 and minus 3. What is the distance between them? Okay. So first method is the number line method. Okay. So you have to draw a number line. Now if you see, I have a positive number and I have a negative number. So I will mark 0 in between. Okay. And now we will mark the points on both the side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. So now we will count 3 and minus 3. From 3 and minus 3, what is this distance? What is the length? Okay. So this is 1 unit. This is one distance. Okay. 1 unit. This is 1 unit. Got it? So we start from minus 3 till here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we got? 6 units. So answer is 6 units. Got it? This is the first method we did. In the same way, we are going to do the second method. 3 and minus 3. So 3 and we are going to write, we have to find the distance, the length between them. Na? So 3 minus and this minus 3 I wrote. And we are going to put this in absolute value. Why absolute sign we are going to put this? Because we are not finding any answer for x or anything. We have to find only the distance, which should be always positive. Okay, only distance we are finding, the length. So we want the answer in positive only. So that's why we are putting the absolute value. Okay, so inside we are going to solve this. 3 minus minus plus. So 3 plus 3, we get what? 6. Okay. So absolute value of 6 is 6. So this is 6 units we got. Okay. See this. Second method. Okay. Same way now we will do the second one. What is the question? 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2. Okay. So 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2. So draw a number line. Again we have positive and negative. So in the center we will write 0 and mark points on both the sides. Okay, this is 1, 2. This is minus 1, minus 2. Now first we have to mark 1 upon 2. So this will come on the right side. So 1 upon 2, the denominator is 2. So when I told we are going to write the before number like 2, then we are going to mark only one line. If it was 3, then we would have marked 2 lines. Okay. Why? Because see this 1 upon 2. So here comes 2 upon 2. 2 gets cancelled, we get 1. Okay. So 1 upon 2. Same here, minus 1 upon 2 we want. Okay. So now mark 1 upon 2 over here. And minus 1 upon 2 will come here. So both the numbers we got. We mark this one and this one. Now we'll count the distance, the length between them. So now what is 1 unit? Between 0 and 1, this is total 1 unit. But it is in half over here. So this half and this half. Together it makes whole 1 unit. Got it? So what is the answer? 1 unit. Okay. Now we will do the second method for this. 1 upon 2 I wrote minus 1 upon 2 and I will put this in absolute value sign. Okay. So 2 and 2 I will write common. This 1 I wrote minus minus plus and then this 1 I wrote. So what I get? 1 plus 1, 2 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2 ones are. I got what? 1 as the answer. 2 ones are 2 ones in the absolute value, and then I got 1 unit. Okay. Now, third question. 1 upon 2 and 2 1 upon 2. Okay. So, I will write 1 upon 2 and 2 1 upon 2. Here 1 upon 2 is in proper fraction, and this 2 1 upon 2, that is mixed fraction. So we have to bring it in proper fraction. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So what we got? 5 upon 2. Okay, earlier also I taught you this both denominator and the number we are going to multiply, and then we are going to add with the numerator. So what we got? 5. Okay, now by first method we will draw a number line. Now if you see here, both the numbers are positive, so I will mark 0 over here. Okay, and I will mark the points. This is 1 2 3 4. Okay, now again denominator is 2, so I will mark only one line over here in between. Okay, now first one is what? 1 upon 2, so I got 1 upon 2 over here. This is my 1 upon 2. Next I want 5 upon 2. So let's see. 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2, 3 upon 2, 4 upon 2, 5 upon 2. This is my 5 upon 2. Now I have to find the length between them. Okay, distance. So this is half and this is half. So it total becomes 1. Likewise here 2. So how many units? I got 2 units. Okay, this distance is half. And this is full 1, half half, then this full 1. Okay, so I got 2 units. Okay, by now second method we will see 1 upon 2 minus, and we got here 5 upon 2. Okay, put it in absolute value. So I will take 2 as common, and up I will take 1 minus 5. So what I get? 5 minus 1 is 4 upon 2. Now here 5 sign is minus. I put it in absolute value. Got it? Why I put the absolute value? Now 2 1s are 2 2s are. So minus 2 I got. So I get 2. Absolute value of minus 2 is 2. 2 units. So I got 2 units. 2 units. Okay. Now we will go to the next question. Minus 1 upon 2 and minus 2 1 upon 2. Okay. Fourth question, minus 1 upon 2 and minus 2 1 upon 2. Again here mixed fraction. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2, and this is minus sign. So both are negative integers. We have to mark it on a number line. Both are negative minus, so I will write 0 over here. Okay, now I will mark the points. Sorry, this point is here. So this is minus 1, minus 2, and this is minus 3. Okay, now again 2 as the denominator, so this is one line in between. I will get 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2, because this is minus 1 upon 2, this is minus 2 upon 2, this is minus 1 upon 2, and this is what? Minus 2 upon 2, 2 1s are 2 1s are, so I get minus 1. Then this is minus 3 upon 2, minus 4 upon 2, minus 5 upon 2 here. Okay, so I got this minus 1 upon 2 here, and this minus 5 upon 2 here. So we have to find the distance. So here to here it is half, and this is half. So half and half, 1 we got. Same here, half and half, 1 we got. So what is the distance between them? 2 units is equal to 2 units. Okay, Now we will see the second method. So I will write minus 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2. Okay, now 2 common in common I will write. Up I have minus 1, then minus minus plus and 5. So 2 I wrote, plus minus minus, 5 minus 1, 4. 5 is bigger, plus sign. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So I got 2. So what is the answer? Absolute value of 2? 2. 2. Got it? Same. Okay. Now we will go to the next question. Question number 6. Here. Find the values of x in each of the following. 23 upon x is equal to 2 upon minus 8. Previously we have done this. Cross multiplication we have to do. So we will start question number 6. 23 upon x is equal to 2 upon minus 8. We are going to do cross multiplication. Okay. So 23 into minus 8. Okay. I wrote here is equal to 2 into x. I will write this as it is. 23 into minus 8 is equal to as it is. Now I have to find the value of x, so I will put this 2 over here. So into 2 if it goes here, it will become divide by 2. So into 2 I will write here divide by 2, and x will come as it is. Okay. So here we will reduce 2 ones are 2 fours are. So we have to multiply. What remains now? 23 into minus 4. So x we wrote down. So 3 fours are 12, 2 fours are 8, 92 we got, and minus sign. So x is equal to minus 92 we got. Okay. Now next question. X upon 9 is equal to 19 upon 3. Okay. So I wrote x upon 9 is equal to 19 upon 3, cross multiply. So first is what? X into 3. X into 3 I wrote. Then is equal to sign. And then 19 into 9. Okay. So now we have to find the value of x. So this is multiply by 3. It will go there. It will become divide by 3. So first I will write x as it is. Then I will write is equal to 19 into 9 as it is I am writing. Now this multiply by, it will go here and it will become divide by 3. Now we will reduce 3 ones are 3, 3s are 9. So x is equal to 9 3s are 27, 57 we got. 19 3s is what? 57. Okay. Now next question we will see. 15 upon minus x is equal to 1 upon minus 7. Okay. Now third question. 15 upon x is equal to 1 upon minus 7. Again cross multiply. So 15 into minus 7 is equal to sign we will put, and x into 1. Right. So x into 1 is what? X only. X into 1 is x. And here we are going to multiply because it's no use to put 1 over here. So 15 into 7 is what? 105. Plus minus minus. Okay. So what we got? One more thing. Here minus sign is there. I just wrote it wrong. Minus sign is there. So 15. Again I will explain. 15 into minus 7. So I wrote 15 into minus 7 is equal to minus x into 1. Okay. So 15 into 7, 105, and minus sign I got, and here minus x into 1 is minus x. Okay. So now this x and x, sorry, this minus and minus sign gets cancelled. So what I get? X is equal to 105.